What is the best location to hang a ceiling fan? The location you choose for your ceiling fan will make an enormous impact on air circulation. Generally, you'll want it centered over the spaces people gather, but there are other important considerations as well. For example, the fan's blade tips should be at least 12 inches away from any wall, including a sloped ceiling, and at least 12 inches away from any forced air vents. You also must consider the height of the fan. There should be a minimum of 7.5 feet between the bottom of the blades and the floor. For high or vaulted ceilings, Kichler recommends this distance be 9 to 10 feet for optimal performance and aesthetic effect. Have additional questions? Check out more ceiling fan fast facts at Kichler.com.